Congratulations on making it through the lessons in Module 15. Let's take a look back at what we've learned this week. So we looked first at misleading graphs. Why are graphs misleading? How can they be misleading? This example here that we're showing is how you can, if you crop a graph, it can make it look way different than it actually is. And on the left makes one look way different than the other two, whereas the one on the right, same data, they look a lot more even. Okay, so that's just one way of misleading with a graph. The other ways that we looked at, some biased words in the titles or labels, again, cropped graphs, broken axes, graphs not drawn to scale, misleading pictograms, such as pie graphs that don't add up to 100%, or 3D pictures that can distort what it looks like. And then outliers. We looked at outliers and how that can have an effect on some data. Okay. We then looked at samples and surveys. When collecting data, you need to make sure your methods are fair and that you accurately represent the results. And we looked at qualitative versus quantitative data, quantitative being measures using numbers, qualitative describes something. Then we looked at univariate versus bivariate data, one variable versus two variables. And we looked at how you can sample, random sample drawing out of a hat, systematic sample, such as picking every 10th person in a list of alphabetical, something like that, or stratified. The example we gave there was picking a random number of people from each grade level at a school. So first you're breaking them up into a grade level, and then you're picking random people from that. Okay, we looked at bias and how your words can influence the way people think about something. And then we looked at causation and correlation. So we finished the week. This graph here shows a weak negative correlation. We looked at positive correlation. We looked at causation, how correlation does not necessarily mean one event causes the other, but they could be related in some way. All right, so at this point, you should be reviewing your notes and assignments. Your goal is an 85% or higher on the test. If you need to retake it, you can. You have up to 3 attempts. So good luck.